Chapter 1. Evolution of Computers. Children, the present-day computer looks very different from the old computer devices. Today's computer performs different tasks simultaneously, but the very first computer device was invented to perform simple calculations only. Let us read in the chronological order about computing devices which were invented by various people. History of computer. Early calculating machines that laid the foundation of computers are Abacus, 400 BC to AD 1600. Abacus is known as first calculating machine. It has beads on rods used to count things. Only simple calculations can be done on it, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It was developed in China. Early merchants used abacus to keep trading transactions. Napier's bones. Early 1600. In 1616, Scottish mathematician John Napier invented a calculating device called Napier's bones. These were multiplication tables written on strips of wood or bones. They were used for multiplying, dividing, taking square roots and cube roots. Pascaline calculator, 1642. Pascaline is also known as the arithmetic machine. Blaise Pascal, who was a French mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator in 1642. It had a box with 8 movable wheels called dials. The numbers for calculations were entered with dials. It could add, subtract, multiply, and divide big numbers. Leibniz calculator, 1650. Leibniz calculator is simply an improvised version of the adding machine. This machine could perform multiplication and division as well. It has a stepped cylinder with 9 teeth with varying length instead of wheels used by Pascal. It was invented by a German mathematician, Gottfried Leibniz. Modern age calculating machines that laid the foundation of computers are Difference engine, 1822. In 1822, Charles Babbage invented the difference engine made of brass, rods and gears. It was the first mechanical computer that could perform complex mathematical calculations. It could also prepare mathematical tables. Analytical engine, 1833. After working on the difference engine in the year 1833, Charles Babbage improved his machine and invented the first general computer called the analytical engine. The machine could perform all arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and many more functions. The analytical engine was a revolutionary device which made him famous as computer pioneer. He was not able to complete the model of the analytical engine during his lifetime. It was completed after his death in 1871. Today's modern computer works on the same principle as that of the analytical engine. Charles Babbage, therefore, is known as the father of modern computer. Tabulating machine. An American statistician, Herman Hollerith, invented the tabulating machine in 1890. This was an electrical device that could read data, process it, and give accurate results. The machine tabulated statistics from millions of pieces of data in a very short period of time. This product became so popular that Hollerith started a company which later became IBM. ENIAC. ENIAC was designed by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. It was the world's first general-purpose electronic digital computer. EDVAC. EDVAC was invented by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly, which was a program storing machine unlike the ENIAC. UNIVAC First. UNIVAC First was the first commercial computer produced for the fast calculations of large numbers of simple arithmetic and data transfer. It was capable to handle both the numbers and text data. The timeline of the history of computers can be further understood with reference to 5 generations of computers. First generation computers, 1940 to 1956. The main features of the first generation computers were: vacuum tube was used in systems. The systems were unreliable and supported machine language only. They generated a lot of heat, so they required air conditioning every time, which in turn required much electricity. They were very costly and huge in size, which made them non-portable. Some examples of the computer systems of this generation were ENIAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC, IBM 701 and IBM 650. Second generation computers, 1956 to 1963. The main features of the second generation computers were the use of transistors, which made them more reliable as compared to the first generation computers. They were smaller in size, consumed less electricity, worked faster and generated less heat as compared to the first generation computers, but still required ACs. They were still very costly to purchase for an individual person. It supported machine and assembly languages. Some examples of the second generation computers were IBM 1620, IBM 7094, CDC 1604, CDC 3600, UNIVAC 1108. Third generation computers, 1964 to 1971. The main features of the third generation computers were integrated chips. ICs were used, which made computers more reliable, smaller in size and faster. It generated less heat and consumed less electricity, which in turn required less maintenance than the second generation computers, but were still costly and required ACs. It supported high-level language, HLL. Some examples of this generation of computers were IBM 360 series, Honeywell 6000 series, Personal Data Processor PDP, IBM 370 by 168 and TDC 316. Fourth generation computers, 1972 to present. The main features of the fourth generation computers were it used very large-scale integration VLSI technology, which was very cheap, portable and reliable. It became easily accessible to consumers or people to use them as a personal computer, PCs. The size was reduced and required pipeline processing, and for the first time the computer did not require ACs. The computer became easily available. Internet was introduced to the general public and some major developments in the field of networks happened during this time. Some computers of this generation were DEC-10, Star 1000, PDP-11, Cray-1 supercomputer and Cray-X MP. Fifth generation computers, present and beyond. The VLSI technology has become ultra-large scale integration ULSI technology, resulting in the production of microprocessor chips having 10 million electronic components. This generation is working on artificial intelligence, which includes robotics, neural networks, game playing, etc. In this generation, development of expert systems is in focus to make decisions in real-life situations, easy for understanding natural language. Quick review. The history of computers started about 2000 years ago with the birth of abacus in China. In 1616, John Napier invented a calculating device called the Napier's bone. In 1642, Blaise Pascal built the first mechanical calculator. Its name was Pascaline. In 1822, Charles Babbage designed an automatic calculating machine called difference engine. He is called the father of computers. The timeline of the history of computers can be studied with the reference to 5 generations of computers. The first generation computers used vacuum tubes. The second generation computers used transistors. The third generation computers used integrated circuits. The fourth generation computers use millions of integrated circuits. The fifth generation computers will be based on artificial intelligence.